Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading session. While Nifty and Bank Nifty witnessed an extremely range-bound trading session yesterday, registering a flat close, it was the mid-cap and the small-cap indices which once again outperformed, gaining 1.2% apiece. However, we feel that mid-cap should be preferred over small-caps given the better relative strength in the mid-cap indices. Among the sectorial indices, Nifty Realty Metal PSC Index were the top gainers, while Nifty IT and Pharma acted as a laggard for the day. Important to note that Nifty IT Index is approaching its crucial support zone of 34,300 34,500. From the global market perspective, if we see the dollar index is trading closer towards 105 levels, while the US 10-year yields too have witnessed an uptick towards 4.35%. It is Brent crude oil prices which have inched up to $89 a barrel that could be a cause of worry from an Indian perspective, given the way the USD INR has been gradually inching towards 84 levels. While mid-cap and small-cap indices is in focus for the past few sessions, we have seen a relatively sideways performance from the frontline large-cap counters within the Nifty space. Hence, we feel that Nifty could display a sideways bias for the next few sessions. However, if you see within an overall uptrend, there could be a minor pullback like we expect in today's trade. Going forward, while the strong support lies around 22,180, 22,230 zone, the zone of 22,450, 22,500 will be the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 22,520 will lead to a short covering move in Nifty towards 22,650, 22,680 in the short term. While in case the index slips below 22,180, it will lead to further selling pressure towards the mark of 22,050, 22,020 levels. Coming to the OI data, Nifty PCR is currently at 0.9. Meaningful call writing is witnessed across 22,400, 22,500 strikes, while put writing was witnessed in 22,200, 22,300 strike. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 22,500 on the upside and 22,180 on the downside. Bank Nifty, if we see, witnessed a range-bound trade yesterday, followed by a flat closing owing to a contrarian price action in two leading banks. That is, HDFC Bank witnessed positive traction while ICICI Bank displaying negative momentum in trade yesterday. Going forward, till the index holds its crucial support placed at 47,000, it could recover back towards the zone of 47,550, 47,650 on the upside. Any sustainable move above the levels of 47,650 will lead to a short covering rally in Bank Nifty up to the mark of 47,830, 47,950 in the short term. If the index slips below 46,950, it will lead to further selling pressure up to the mark of 46,750, 46,600 levels. From the from the open interest perspective per se, Bank Nifty PCR for the weekly series has weakened from 1.1 to 0.9 levels. Significant call writing was seen at 47,500, 47,600 strikes, and on the put side it is majorly seen in 47,300 and 47,000 strike, implying a range of 47,000 on the downside and 46,650 for the expiry perspective. Looking at sectors and stocks in momentum, capital goods, auto and realty looks relatively strong at the current juncture compared to the rest of the sectors. From the stock specific per se, if you see Grasim, Ambuja Cement, HAL, Nalco, Siemens, Godrej Properties, Cipla, Tata Steel, Sun Pharma, M&M, NCC, JSW Steel, Bharti Airtel, Tata Communication, Carborundum Universal, SJVN. These are the counters which look good based on technical parameters as well as on the relative strength chart. Coming to the FI/DI data in trade yesterday, in the cash segment, while FI has continued being on a sell mode in the new financial year to the tune of 1,622 crores, DI has continued to be net buyers yesterday to the tune of 1,952 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures at the inception of the fresh series is currently at 46.4 on a net basis. This as they bought about 2264 index futures. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.